I've been playing paintball since I was about 16. I'm 48 now, so I'm 32 years. And I play for the UK Redskins. So generally I play at the back, which means that I need that field of vision. I need to be able to see where I'm shooting. So, but about the last 5 years, my vision has deteriorated, and it's caused me a bit of a problem with my game. You know, there's nothing worse than trying to move up the field when you can't see. You need to be able to see, you need to be able to shoot people. So I've tried glasses, wearing glasses underneath the goggles, which are great, you can see everything. But the problem I have is that they steam, they fog pretty quick. I've tried the ones with the fans, I've tried the standalone fans, the one with the tubes that come around the sides. None of them work for me. So this is the YouZee insert. It clips into any mask, not this specific mask. It clips into every single mask, and it's made from your prescription. So it's not just a one fits all. This is for your vision. So each insert is individual to that person. So when I played 2 weeks ago on a walk-on, I was playing the same 2 weeks ago as I was playing 10 years ago. Yeah, I could see everything. It meant that I could move up the field. I knew where every player was, and I could move up without being shot.
So would you say this has improved your game?
Without a doubt, 100%. Yeah, unfortunately, something that's not great is getting old. Getting old gives you bad vision. I'm back in the game.
I need some of what you're selling.